Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And we're back with the Mini. I thought this was all done, but nope. Miraculously overnight developed a little water leak, coolant leak. So I have checked and we're empty. So let's get this bumper taken off, get it on the ramps, and we'll have a look what damage we've got under there. Might be just a loose cable, might be a loose water pipe. So let's have a look. The bumper off, cars on its little ramps. So now let's attach this coolant pressure tester. So this should tell me where the water's leaking from, if it is. So we'll put the pump on. Here she is. I'm going to pump this to roughly 10 to 15 psi. Let's have a go. Don't need to get the 10 or 15 psi, I got it to 4 and it's leaking. So it looks like when my gear links are there, if I move that out of the way, when my finger is here, it's a torch, when my finger is there, underneath that the hose has got a little hole in it. So where the top of the bolt of that gear linkage just rubbed through. So that needs a new hose. Fabulous. One of them on order. And we'll see how it goes. So now, take this bit apart. See if I can remove that bit of a water pipe hose. Lovely. There we are, taking the pipe apart. I can just see there. Oh, there it is. I can just see there. It's just been rubbing through. There we are. Just been rubbing through. It's got a little tiny hole in it. So we'll get that bit replaced. Hey. Right guys, there we are. Phone died. Been out, picked up the hose, replaced the hose, and now she's done. Sun's going down. Been out for 3 hours since our last was on. So let's take it back home. If you like content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Pop up the Facebook. Same channel on there. Like, comment, share. Do what you can. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.